Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Google Chat account. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open Google Chat, which is on your phone. If you don't have it, you can install it from the Play Store anytime. Then you can see your profile, click on it, and you can see add another account. Go ahead and tap on it, wait for a while. And now you must add in your Google account after verifying your authenticity. So what you need to do is write down your Google address now. So let's go ahead and write it down. And after you've written it down, go ahead and click on next. What you need to do now is write down your password to your account. Then click on next and you can check your password as well. So if the password is incorrect, make sure you write down the correct password, otherwise you cannot log into your account. So let's go ahead and try this process. If the password is incorrect, you can see that you cannot log in. After you do so, you will be logged into your account and you can successfully chat with your friends on Google Chat. So guys, this is the easiest way you can log into your Google Chat account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.